Hi students, welcome back. This is an introductory video of lines and angles, and today we are going to see some basic terms and definitions that is present in lines and angles, and from the next video we will start with our axioms and theorems that is given in your textbook, right? First, before getting into this chapter, what are the basic terms which we need to remember, which we need to know, right? So that it will be very helpful for us to just clear out the exercise that is present in the upcoming sessions, right? So first, what are the basic terms? First, what are the types of angles that is present in this chapter is what we are going to see now. Types of angles, right? When you talk about the types of angles, there are totally 5 types, right? That is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. Now, I hope these angles we would have studied in our lower classes, that is in your 8th and 7th, I suppose. Now, these angles we just rush up so that it will be very it's just a recap because we have studied in our lower classes. This acute angle lies between the range 0 to 90. Right angle, as the name suggests, it is 90 degree. Obtuse angle, the range is between 90 to 180 degree. Straight angle, as it suggests, it is 180 degree. And reflex angle, it lies between 180 to 360 degree. Okay, how does this acute angle look like? Why I am stressing these things? Because just a small recap of your younger studies that which you have studied in your lower classes, so that will be helpful for you in this lesson, in suppose in some small cases. Now this is your acute angle as it lies between 0 to 90 degree. Similarly, what is your right angle? Straight 90 degree, right? So this is your right angle of the known, that is 90 degree. This is your depiction of obtuse angle. Straight angle, as it suggests, as I repeated, this will be your straight angle of 180 degree. At last, your reflex angle looks like as same as like acute angle, but your acute angle x will be over here, the reflex x will be over here, right? So this is your reflex angle. These are a basic intros of types of angles that is to be known for your lines and angles chapter. Another certain few terms that are to be known, so that will be very helpful for you to ace your exercise problems. Now we will see that. So adjacent angle, a general figure depiction is like this, where angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles is nothing but they have common arm and common vertex, right? Common arm and a common vertex. Say for example over here, A, B, C, D, right? Angle ABC and angle DBC, right? So these are adjacent angles with a common vertex, that is BC. Angle ABD is equal to angle ABC plus angle DBC. So this is your adjacent angles. Similarly, another term, that is linear pair, right? Consider a straight line, that is AB, with a line over here, that is, let it be CD. Now this AB is a straight line. So as we discussed before, a straight line is equal to 180 degree. What does this linear pair says about that? Angle ACD plus angle BCD, right, is equal to 180 degree. But in this linear pair, this both angles, that is this ACD as well as this BCD, is a linear pair angles. When it sum gives you 180 degree, these two angles comes under linear pair of angles, right? So this is your linear pair definition. When the sum of these two angles gives you 180 degree, these two angles are linear pair angles. Now another a small thing which we need to know is nothing but vertically opposite angles. Diagram of vertically opposite angles is D, E, B. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Similarly, this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So this is your vertically opposite angle. Is all about angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Similarly, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. This is your vertically opposite angles. So when two lines, that is AB and CD, intersect, these two angles with the center O, these two angles, that is angle AOD and angle BOC, are equal. Similarly, angle AOC and angle BOD are equal by the term vertically opposite angles. And another important or known terms which we need to understand or which we need to remember is non-intersecting lines, that is they are parallel, they won't touch each other at any point, right? Similarly, intersecting lines, it touches at a single point, both the lines touches at a single point. So this comes under intersecting lines and that comes under non-intersecting lines. So these are the general terms which we need to know before stepping into the theorems and axioms and your exercise sums that is given in your lines and angles lesson, right? So in the next video we will start with the theorem and the axiom that is present in your textbook, and further we will go into the exercise part that is given in your textbook, right? Subscribe my channel and share it to your friends as I repeat in every video, because it will be helpful for them also. Thank you.